Off to a good start. He is out to his back and tire lever is on the ground. Currently at 25 seconds.
This is an interesting approach. He's going for the put the tube in and put the tire on in the same motion. Very interesting.
Efficiency.
We'll see if it works out fine. Survey says.
Might be pioneering a new
He
technique.
does seem calm. Cool, calm, and collected.
Not usually words we use to describe Patrick.
Ever. Okay. You see me in a crit? I'm so cool and calm.
Very collected.
All right, we hit the 1 minute mark. He's almost got the tire back on.
Oh, is he gonna be the one?
All right, compliment done at 117.
What? And he flicked the.
Reach the real time here. Almost there. Done. 147.11.
That was like not embarrassing. Like that was like a solid. Could be like 140 if I didn't like the pump. The pump was it's a bad pump.